Tired of sifting through hundreds of irrelevant job posts? In this video, I'll show you how to master Upwork search filters to quickly find the perfect opportunities that match your exact preferences. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Using filters effectively is the secret weapon of successful freelancers. It transforms your job search from overwhelming to perfectly targeted. Let me show you how to harness this power. First, after entering your search term, click the All Filters button next to the search bar. This opens up a powerful panel of options that will revolutionize how you find work on Upwork. Start with the essential filters: experience level and job type. If you're looking for long-term work, select ongoing under project length. For quick projects, choose one time. Filtering by experience level ensures you're competing with freelancers at your level. Next, use the client info filter strategically. The client history filter lets you see jobs from clients who have hired before, a great indicator of serious buyers. You can also filter by total spent to find clients who have invested in freelancers previously. A crucial pro tip: use the hours per week filter if you're looking for part-time or full-time commitments. This is perfect for finding projects that fit your availability. Combine this with project length to find exactly the type of engagement you want. Don't forget about budget filters. You can set minimum and maximum hourly rates or project budgets. This ensures you're only seeing opportunities that meet your financial requirements, saving you from wasting time on underpaid work. And just like that, you've become a filtering expert. No more wasting time on unsuitable jobs, just quality opportunities that match your goals. If this filtering strategy made your search more efficient, please give it a like. Which filter combination has been most useful for you? Share your winning formula in the comments below. To learn how to find the best paying opportunities, subscribe for our next video on how to find high-paying jobs on Upwork. Thanks for watching.